Do you need an AI tool to read your images? Okay, now it is possible with Gemini AI. So just try this tool and let me know how it works for you. Let's get into the PC. Here you can see I already loaded Gemini AI workspace. Now I'm going to drag this image. Actually this is a flowchart and I'm going to drag this image to Gemini AI. After uploading the image, now you can select on this image and then you can click on this AI here. Here you can type describe this. Okay, if you need to describe this, then you can place the text as describe this. If you need more things, actually you can ask some questions about this image, then you can put the text as you need it. By the way, here you have to click on text or analysis or whatever you need. I'm going to click on text, then click on generate button. Just wait for a few seconds and Gemini will generate a definition about this flowchart here. Okay, cool. This is the definition that you need to understand from that image. Okay, you can read any type of image. Don't worry, you can do that now easily with Gemini AI. Okay, by the way, this is the definition. This is a flowchart that describes a process within healthcare settings for managing patient arrivals and treatment. The flow of the process is as follows: start, registered patient, available nurse, available doctor. And here, if you don't understand the flowchart, you can understand it very easily by using this definition. So just try this amazing tool and let me know how it worked for sure. And especially please go to my YouTube channel and then click on subscribe button. Also follow me for more videos and like this, comment this and share this with your friends and colleagues. Bye.